Hey Team 101, today we will be forecasting and analyzing the market for XAUUSD gold and Bitcoin. We can see that the gold has recently tested the resistance on 15 minutes candle, as I will show you. Here we go. Here I always draw my trend line in zone so that I avoid false breakout. Here we can see that the resistance zone has been supported over here, and over here, giving us the confirmation that it's valid. Now coming on the current price action, we can see the market has headed towards the resistance zone from 1700. Over here the market just touched the resistance zone, which was 1718 or 1717, and the seller or the buyer were exhausted of buying the gold, and the seller come in the power and take the market downwards. Moreover, we can also see the hidden divergence at 15 minutes, which also gave us one more clue that the market will be bearish for some times, as the indicator is making lower high. The bearish is hidden bearish divergence, which is as the market is making lower high, simultaneously the indicator should also make a lower high. However, the indicator is making higher high from here till here as shown. Let me draw it clearly and here till here. We can see also in break of trend line. I will show you. Thus this indicates that an sale position can be taken some around 1708. That would be a great point to take an sale position. Moreover, going on a larger time frame, we can also decide the take profit by locating the support. Here we can see a pattern, or we can draw an support here. This one is in longer term support. However, the short term support can be this. If the market do break the short term support, which is this, then we can expect the market to bounce off from the longer term support. Thus, for now, a sale position can be made at around 1708 with an take profit of support zone of around 1700. If the support zone is breaking, thus and long we can go long from this from the longer term support, as the Fed chairman has announced more money supply in the market in order to combat the coronavirus. Thus, we have two reasons in order to take an sale position. Firstly, the market is testing and has tested a resistance zone, which tells us that in next candle or in the coming time, the market will test support or can also bounce off from here by breaking the resistance zone. What I am expecting for now is that as I will show, is a bounce off from here towards the support. We can see an break of support, however, break of support and going on a longer term support, or we can also see an bounce off from the short term support zone. A long position can be made on the longer term support zone. What I am expecting after the test of long term support zone is in breakout of this resistance line. The TP and SL will be placed as shown. Okay, if the market breaks the short term support zone and tested the long term support zone, thus a buy position can be created, and by placing the stop loss just below the support zone, this trade will give us the risk to reward of 1:7. And coming on a sale position, coming on a short scenario for now, we can short the market around 1780 with the stop loss of just above this resistance zone and take profit of small term support zone. This trade will give us a risk to reward of 1:1. Now coming on the Bitcoin. Now on Bitcoin we can draw an Fib retracement in order to confirm that the long position which will be taken by us or in the Bitcoin, as I am bullish for Bitcoin, is correct or not. Yes, here we can see the Bitcoin has entered the zone of around golden ratio of 0.5 and 0.618 and bounces off. That tell us that if we take in long position, that the percentage of winning that position is higher as the Fib retracement theory supports our trade. On daily chart we can draw in support zone for Bitcoin, and this support zone has been a valid support zone for a while, as I will show you here. The market has taken tested the support zone here and bounces off. Here we have recently seen a test of support zone and the market is currently moving upwards. What I am expecting and bearish move, and the fundamental behind me being bearish is firstly the Bitcoin halving, reducing the supply of the Bitcoin. Thus the demand remains the constant, however the supply shrink, thus there can be an boost of price. Moreover, we can also set up the take profit by drawing an channel, as we can see that the Bitcoin is trading in a channel. Here we can make the resistance zone which will be our take profit. Here we can see that the market has tested the resistance zone and bounces off towards the support zone. Thus if we go long right now or in this scenario, the take profit would be our resistance zone. Going on in lower time frame for a more clear picture. Thus our TP and SL for being long right now would be some around this. However, a break of trend line also trigger our SL if we see an break of trend line which I have drawn, if we see an break of trend line, this trend line which I have drawn, thus we can see an bearish momentum continuing and retesting the support zone. However, I am not expecting an bearish movement in Bitcoin right now. What I am expecting an bullish movement, and the TP and SL would be as shown. Moreover, at Bitcoin we are expecting an symmetrical triangle pattern being formed. Thus, an breakout can be occurred, as we can see that Bitcoin is currently making an symmetrical triangle pattern, and we can see that the Bitcoin has false breakout through the resistance zone and tested the support zone again. What I am expecting, and a breakout through the resistance zone. We can also see that the Bitcoin is currently testing the resistance zone, and a breakout above it will confirm us being bearish. If you do like my analysis and forecast, do like, share and comment below to tell me whether do you agree or disagree with my analysis. Thanks for watching.